Hey, what is up, YouTube? It is Tech Drift with a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I want to show you how you can hide your likes and counts stuff on Instagram so people don't see how many likes you have and stuff like that in a counter. If you go ahead into Instagram and make sure you go to your right corner and there's three lines right here. You go there and then you go into how you use it. If you go all the way bottom and you see what you see, like and share accounts, and you can enable this, toggle this on, and nobody will be able to see your likes and shares that you have. So make sure that is on. That is a real cool feature, especially if starting Instagram and you don't want people knowing how many likes or shares you have in your content. But yeah, man, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.